Today for DPA, we're going to get active in the classroom. Now, what does active participation look like? That's our learning goal. I want you to turn to your partner right now and discuss some of the success criteria for being active when we're here in the classroom. So turn to your partner now. Have students conference with their partner, each speaking uninterrupted for up to 1 minute to share their knowledge of success criteria for active participation. Following partner discussions, consider having students share their responses with the class. Consider recording correct responses on poster paper for future reference. Throughout the class, continue to draw students' attention to the identified criteria for success. To get warmed up, let's play shoot around. Students begin by walking around the activity area, gradually increasing their activity level from a walk to a slow jog on the spot, to a shuffle, and finally to a fast jog on the spot. While students are moving about the activity area, the teacher calls out an activity that a player might work on during a shoot-around before the game. When an action is called out, the students mimic that action for 20 seconds until the teacher calls out the next method of locomotion. The students move about the activity area until the next shoot-around action is called. Continue until the students are properly warmed up. Possible shoot-around activities could include dribbling with left hand, right hand, or both, set shots, jump shots, foul shots, defensive footwork, for example a shuffle, blocking shots, rebounding, dunking, and layups. Prior to the activity, inspect activity area for safe traction and eliminate potential hazardous conditions. Remind students to be cautious when moving and to be aware of the personal space of others. If using the classroom, consider moving furniture to the perimeter of the room and outline the activity area using masking tape, keeping a safe distance between the furniture and the boundary line. Prior to the activity, inspect the classroom activity surface for safe traction and eliminate potential hazardous conditions, for example books, backpacks, and extension cords. Where movement is to be around desks and chairs, check that all chairs are pushed into the desks or move chairs to the perimeter of the room. Check that pathways around desks can safely accommodate students' movement. Now we'll move on to our vertical jump mission. Remember, you can complete this mission in any order, but you must complete it together as your group. Throughout the activity, be sure to refer students to the success criteria for safe and active participation. Divide students into groups of 4 to 6 and give each group the working on our vertical jump mission sheet. Groups must stay together and perform each mission task as a group as quickly as possible. Each group member must perform each mission task to the best of their ability. Inform the groups that they may work on the mission tasks in any order they choose. Check that each activity is spread out to minimize interference from other activities. When landing from a jump, bend at the knees. For a demonstration of the mission activities, see the video on the curriculum page of the MLSE ShapeUp website. For our cool down today, we're going to play jump ball. Students will gradually decrease their heart rate to a resting rate by participating in the next activity. Then students will stretch the body parts that have been active through the lesson. Students stay in the teams they were in for the vertical jump mission. Students shuffle around the activity area for 30 seconds until the teacher yells, "Jump ball." At this point, the students gather together in their mission teams, find a partner, and jump up in the air as if taking a jump ball, touching hands with the partner 3 times. Then one member of the group leads the team in a stretch. The teacher then signals the class to begin moving around the activity area again, this time at a slow jog until jump ball is called again. Students repeat the 3 jumps with a partner, and a different member of the group leads the team in a stretch. This continues until each member of the group has led the stretch or the teacher calls game over. Locomotor actions should decrease in intensity after each jump ball is called. Locomotor actions could include shuffling, slow jogging, skipping, marching, and walking. If students are not comfortable choosing a stretch, a list of stretches could be posted on the blackboard or on chart paper prior to the cool down. While students are stretching, have them reflect on their application of the learning goals. Students give themselves a thumbs up, thumbs down, or thumbs middle, and finish with a group high five.